know what you're eating? Do you know what's in your food? GMOs aren't labeled for a reason. So many people are fooled. 1901, start off with a company creating chemicals, manipulating what you're gonna eat. Monsanto made saccharin for soda to make it sweet. 1903 to the 20s, competition they defeat. Soon they'd expanded chemicals like PCBs, DDTs. The 40s helped develop the atomic bomb and got into agriculture. Tell me what's wrong? The coming decades took over providing pesticides, herbicides. Worked with Nazis right by their side, IG Farben. Every day is a racing forage. I'm sure everybody here's heard of Agent Orange. Cyclamates tied to cancer, removed from shelves. Cycle safe bottles the same, the proof can tell. 1980s Roundup, welcome to biotech. Field testing GM seeds. Time to write the check, buy out seed companies, take positions of power. Their attorneys run the FDA, now it's devoured. Why does a chemical company control our food system? It's time we stand up and take back control. Develop a new rhythm for future living. Do you know what you're eating? Do you know what's in your food? GMOs aren't labeled for a reason. So many people are fooled. I said, do you know what you're eating? Do you know what's in your food? GMOs aren't labeled for a reason. So many people are fooled. Next up, let's talk about a GMO, genetically modified organisms. It's something we should know. Herbicide tolerant, pesticide producing. Crops are doused in glyphosate and you're consuming. Mutated DNA leads to allergens, toxins, carcinogens, autoimmune diseases, and you wonder why it's hard to live. This part is sick, allergies are rising, just like autism is. Eating BT corn leads to gut inflammation. Your intestines are leaking, they want you as patients. Hospitalized, don't awaken, take the bacon. See, that animal was fed GM corn feed. Yes, the meat you eat is absorbing. Many countries are now not importing GMO products, but Americans are silenced. Time to clean out your ears, open your eyelids. The studies are there, who cares if they're independent? Our dependents are dependent, changes in the present. Statistics don't lie, stop drinking RBGH. We can heal ourselves, it's hardly too late. Do you know what you're eating? Do you know what's in your food? GMOs aren't labeled for a reason. So many people are fooled. I said, do you know what you're eating? Do you know what's in your food? GMOs aren't labeled for a reason. So many people are fooled. Solution time, I'll tell you what's needed is in the grocery store, read the ingredients. If something says corn, soy, or modified, has a color and number, it's probably compromised. Non-GMO verified and organic's the way to go. Call Congress, demand labeling, we have a right to know. If you can grow your own food, you should do that too. And here's a tip, fruit is fast food. Do the research, gain the knowledge. The best way to hurt them is through your wallets. Meal prep, dishes fresh, stay away from processed. Shelf life's more than a week, don't trust the contents. It's packed with chemicals from the fish to the plants. It's simple, don't eat it if it was picked in a plant. Anything Monsanto's done has been a scam. Your health should be their number one concern. Instead they pay millions to keep studies from long term. You are the study, we're the experiment. Save the heirloom seeds before there's any barely left. Educate yourself and share the wealth. Erase sickness and disease and repair our health. You are what you eat, you are what you eat. You are what you eat, I said you are what you eat. Let food be your medicine, we start to defeat Monsanto, we march in the streets. Do you know what you're eating? Do you know what's in your food? GMOs aren't labeled for a reason. So many people are fooled, wake up!